Cozy December recipes and pet lover gifts. Simple December comforts. December comforts aren't just about warm meals. Sometimes they're about the simple moments we share at home. If you love easy recipes, I've put both of my simple 30-minute recipe cookbooks on Amazon. All my own personal recipes I'm sharing. And if you're a pet parent like me forever, I always also created a fur baby care guide filled with stories, tips, and everyday love for pets of all kinds. Cozy meals, cozy moments, all in one place. Warm, simple December comforts for your kitchen and your fur baby family. Find my two cookbooks and my fur baby care guide on Amazon today.